In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to reach the settings, then find and select System and click on Backup. And if you truly want to activate Google Backup, tap on the switcher, and then it's time to add your backup account. To do it, just select Account, wait a couple of seconds and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise it will not be possible, and then enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address, so let me enter and click on Next. Then enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And here just go through the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. And that's it. Tap on More, click on Accept to confirm your selection, and you've just activated Google Backup, and your backup includes app setup data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK to finish the operation, and that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.